What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas, and today I'm gonna be fixing the cracked putty on the rear of the car. I had one side that slammed a bit too hard into the wheel, so I got a really small crack going on. It needs to be addressed, so I'm gonna do that right now. You can follow along. Already got my Dremel laying ready, so I can go ahead and start cutting away before I lay in the putty.
I don't know where she came from, but goddamn I wanna say some. She a dime, wanna make her mine. Heard through the grapevine, she a great time. Yeah, it should be a goddamn crime to look that damn fine. Gotta lock her up and throw away the key, or you could lock her up and give the key to me. Take it down low, drop it down to the ground floor. I just wanna go and explore. Ooh, baby, I just want more, I want more. Got a body like a rock star. Yeah, that shit is looking rock hard, yeah, rock hard. I would put her on the roster, cause she keeps on getting hotter and hotter. Ooh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow, she's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go.
So I get it all open and clean it nice up.
She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro.
Now it's time to throw in some filler, sand it, and repaint it. I'm only gonna go through the filling and the sanding with you. I'm probably not gonna film the painting anymore because I did a lot of that in previous videos, and I bet you don't really want to see that again.
Oh, she looking straight from the city. Oh man, she looking so pretty. Goddamn, I'd like to get busy. Yeah, so baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it outside, oh yeah. Wanna stay up all night, oh yeah. Wanna get it all right, oh yeah. Now she wanna skip aside. She got a fine ass body with her head on straight, and she look a little naughty, but that's a-okay. Now I wanna get a drink, just you and me. I don't really wanna think, I just wanna be. She giving third-degree burns, man, I think I need a doctor. Got me concerned, cause she got me hot and bothered. Everything she earned, didn't get it from her father. Man, you think I learned, but she turns me to a monster. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show.
So I got a layer of finishing putty on there. Now I'm gonna let that dry, sand it out. But as you can see, it's not a lot to be sanded. It was already pretty nice and smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead, wait until it's dry, sand it out, spray paint it. I don't want to be bothering you with the spray painting part of the job. So what I did, I cut out where the crack was a little bit wider, cleaned it out, filled it up with putty, and that's how you can fix cracks in your putty work. Sometimes they come back, but the chance is pretty small because you made a nice incision inside of the putty that was there. And normally when everything goes right and when my wheel doesn't hit again, it won't crack again. So that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. For now, I'm out.